Hello everyone. Let's go back to the history of classification of elements. Don't you remember Mendeleev and his periodic table? It was a major breakthrough to the periodic classification of elements. Today, we will look into his achievement, the achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table. The increasing atomic mass was one of the major criteria used by the scientists to make their periodic table, right? Now, let's observe. Can you find any anomaly in the table? What about cobalt and nickel? Do you find any anomaly? Compare their atomic masses. What now? Let's see. The cobalt is having an atomic mass 58.9. Nickel is having an atomic mass 58.7, which means nickel is having a lower atomic mass and placed behind cobalt, which is having higher atomic mass. Is that a limitation or an achievement? Let's see. In some instances, he had to place the elements before the ones with slightly lower atomic mass. Why? Because chemical properties were considered in that position. That was an achievement, not a limitation. Now, moving on. Do you find spaces in the table? Yes. Now, he boldly predicted the existence of certain elements yet to be discovered, and he named them Eka. What is Eka? Eka is a 1. So there were three elements: Eka boron, Eka aluminum, and Eka silicon. Can you find boron, aluminum, and silicon? Here they are: boron, aluminum, and silicon. And later, these elements were discovered. Eka boron, Eka aluminum, and Eka silicon was discovered as scandium, gallium, and germanium. Can you find scandium, gallium, and germanium in the table? Scandium. Where is gallium? Gallium. What about germanium? Here. The boron was here. Scandium is here. Aluminum was here. Gallium is here. And what about silicon? Silicon is here. And germanium is here. So, his prediction was right. Let's compare them. Let's go. We are comparing the Eka aluminum with gallium. Atomic masses were 68 and 69.1. For Eka aluminum we have 68 and gallium we have 69.1. Now, what about the formula of oxide? E2O3 and Ga2O3. Why? Because they belong to group 3. Right. What about the formula of chloride? ECl3, GaCl3. They are similar, right? So he was right. His prediction was right. Now, moving on. He also mentioned helium and argon, which were later discovered and found place in the table without disturbing the table. What was helium and argon? They are inert gases, which means their concentration is very low that it cannot be detected easily. But they could find place in the periodic table without disturbing the table, and that was also an achievement. And these three were the achievements made by Mendeleev. That's it. Thank you.